Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a 5-piece laundry furniture set that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a pair of 2x3 plates. Let's set these side by side and set down a 1x4 plate in the back. This is going to be our large basin sink. In this area, set down a 1x2 flat tile. Next, let's place a 1x4 plate on the previous 1x4 plate. Then a 1x2 plate, and surround the plate with a pair of 1x1 flat tiles. For the sink basin, take a pair of 1x2x2 corner wall elements, set those in like so. Let's flip the assembly over. I'm going to take a set of round 1x1 bricks. I'm going to place one in each corner. These are going to be our legs or supports to hold up the sink. Set those right down in there. We're going to flip this right side up. We're going to proceed on with a 1x2 jumper plate and a tap. Set it right on the jumper plate for a little water faucet. Next, let's move on to our ironing board. Take a surfboard. Yes, we're going to be using a surfboard as an ironing board. I'm going to set down a pair of 1x1 modified plates with top holder. For legs, I'm going to take one of these weird pieces where you can insert one of these cross connectors. We're going to set this in like so. We're going to need to make two of these. These are going to be the legs. I'm going to set these inside our holders. So now we have an ironing board that we can fold up. We can set the legs out on it. Now for an ironer, let's take a 1x1 headlight brick. I'm going to face the top of it off with a 1x1 by 2/3 slope and a little nozzle. We're going to set the nozzle on like so, right inside the front of the headlight brick. That'll be our little ironer. Now for the washing machine, start with a 3x3 plate. In the back portion, I'm going to set down a 2x3 plate and a 1x3 plate in this end. A 1x3 brick on the left and a 2x2 brick in the top right. In this area, a 1x2 brick with 2 studs. Now let's finish up our brick with a 2x3 plate and a 1x3 plate. Now here I'm going to add a 1x3 plate and a 2x3 flat tile to smooth off the top portion of the washing machine. Now in this center stud, I'm going to set down a transparent round 1x1 flat tile that's light blue. Set that there. This is going to act as a little window for our washing machine, and I'm going to take a life buoy with stud, place it on to simulate like a little door. And for the top, I'm going to set down a 1x2 slope and a 1x1 slope. If you have some with printing or decals, those work just as well. Finally, for the dryer, take a 3x3 plate. Let's set down a 2x3 plate in the top portion and a 1x3 plate in the bottom portion. Now this is built almost similar to the washing machine. I'm just going to change things up a bit. On the left hand side, a 2x2 brick and a 1x2 brick with 2 studs. And on the right hand side, a 1x3 brick. Let's lock the top together with a 2x3 and 1x3 plates. We're going to proceed on with a 1x3 plate and a 2x3 flat tile. Here, a transparent clear round flat tile for a little window for the dryer, and a life buoy with stud for a little door. And on the top, I'm going to set down a 1x1 slope and a 1x2 slope. And there is our laundry room furniture. As you can see, everything is the right height for minifigures. So we have Jay the Surfer. He can Wash the clothes either in the large basin sink or in the washing machine. Put them in the dryer. When he's done, he can iron his clothes. Then after he's done, he can easily just take that surfboard and go hit the waves.